Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Alchemy Auth for Web3 dApps, full guide step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Alchemy website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, head to the Alchemy dashboard. Locate the section for Alchemy Auth. Click on the option to create a new application. Fill in the necessary details for your dApp, including its name and description. Select the blockchain network your dApp will be using. Confirm the creation of your application. Once your application is created, you'll receive an API key. Keep this API key secure, as it will be necessary for authentication. Next, move to your dApp's codebase. Install the Alchemy Auth SDK using your preferred package manager. For example, if you're using npm, run the command npm install at alch/alchemyauth. After installation, import the Alchemy Auth library into your project. Initialize the Alchemy Auth with your API key in your application code. Set up a button or UI element to trigger the authentication process for the user. When the user clicks the button, invoke the authentication method provided by Alchemy Auth. The method will handle the user's wallet connection. Once the wallet is connected, the user will be prompted to sign a message for verification. Ensure that you handle the response properly in your application. Check for any authentication errors and provide feedback to the user. If successful, store the user's authentication status securely. Implement session management to keep track of logged-in users. Finally, test the authentication process thoroughly to ensure a smooth user experience. With these steps completed, your dApp will be ready to authenticate users using Alchemy Auth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.